Whatever you're looking for in life, you will find. Have you ever noticed there's people they're always negative. They're always griping about something. They always find fault in everybody else except themselves. They're looking for something to be mad about. They're always depressed. They're always wanting to bring you down. And if you're not careful, they will. But then on the other hand, you got these other friends that they're always happy. They're always moving about. They're always doing things. They're always busy. They're always trying to help somebody. They're always trying to help themselves. They find what they're looking for. It don't matter what you're looking for in life, whether it's good or bad, you're going to find it. We always find what we're looking for. Whether we know it or not, we get exactly what we're looking for. We get back what we put out. If you have a crowd of friends that all they do is sit around, smoke pot all day, get drunk at night, play video games, whether you do it or not, you're going to be labeled as such. You are judged by the company you keep. By the things your company do, that's what people are going to think you do. Whether you do it or not, that's what people judges you by, the company you keep. So get rid of the bad people in your life. Get some positive role models in your life. If you surround yourself with good people, busy people, active people, successful people, people that's looking for tomorrow and not looking for yesterday, people that has goals in their life, soon you will be labeled as the same type of person because they're feeding to you all of their positive energy and you're learning from them. You can't help but adapt their ways. If you can't get rid of the negative people in life, like your family and close friends, limit. Pull away from them a little bit. Don't be so accessible to them. Don't fall victim of their traps. They will bring you down to their level. Have you ever noticed when you're doing something and you're starting to gain momentum with it, like a new business or a good idea or something, they always try to shoot you down. They always make you feel like no matter what you do, it's not going to work. It's because they're jealous. It's because them, people, and you came from the same place. And they're scared you're going to leave. They're scared they're going to lose you, so they will have somebody to cry to. They want you to agree with their negativity. They don't want you to be better than what you are today. They don't want you to grow because they know they're not growing. And it's all because of they don't want to grow. People judges you by the friends you keep, by the company you keep, by the things you do. And yes, I know in the Bible it says, we shall not judge. But we all fall short of the glory of God, and we do judge. The great judges in the sky will all meet him one day. I'm eager to see what he says about me. I hope you're eager for that same meeting one day. God bless you. I love you all. Please subscribe to this channel. Give me a thumbs up. Leave me comments. I will be posting a video every Sunday. I hope you like it. I love you all. Ciao.